Hey guys, how's it going? Scott Patterson here from Total Life Happiness. We are a blog, as you know, website that I've set up to help people brand new to the industry to learn affiliate marketing the right way. And I'm going through a series of step-by-step video instructions of how to start from scratch and create an income online. Anyway, topic today is affiliate marketing for beginners and why affiliate marketing works. So, well, if you have ever been in business before, you know that there's a lot of cost involved. You've got to hire staff, you've got to get a premises, you find a product to sell or service or whatever, and there's a lot of time and energy required to go into that. Now, I have owned two real world, like brick and mortar businesses in the past over a 15 to 20 year period, and I was searching for something to get out of the industry. So we sold our businesses, and I wanted something easier, something that made sense. And I found affiliate marketing because, as far as ticking the boxes goes for a business model, your overheads are so much lower. You can work from home. You don't need staff. You can just have, yourself and your computer. That's it. And the thing that I like about it too is affiliate marketing or online marketing. You have massive amounts of leverage because when you work in the real world, you still have to do the work. So you spend your time marketing, say like 50% of your time is marketing the business to get customers to come in. And then the other 50% of the time is doing the work. Whether you hire staff to do that or whether you do it yourself, it still needs to be done. So you can break that up 50-50. Online, the distribution side or the work side is pretty much highly leveraged through the internet. So there's automated systems that do all that for you once you've set it up and it's running. All you then have to focus on is the fun part, which is the marketing side. So generating the leads, making the income, all that sort of stuff. And in my opinion, that's enjoyable. I like doing that. So, and hopefully you do too. So that's why I believe affiliate marketing is a brilliant option if you're still looking for a business to run, but don't want all the overheads. I'll give you an example. Probably the most famous company for affiliate marketing is ClickBank. This guy's been around a long time. They've sold like $3 billion worth of products. So, and it's been around a long, long time. People have their pros and cons. I'll just log into the account as to whether they like it or not. There is some sales. I'll just carry on out of that. We'll go to the marketplace. And yeah, what you do is you find a niche that you want to get involved in. There's a whole heap of different types of niches down here. If you click on one, say if we go into, I don't know, business investing. Actually, let's go to e-business and e-marketing. That gives you some idea of, that's the company or the product. That's the payout figure on average. And that comes down here. That's your initial sale. Then what percentage you get of the sale, whether it's a rebill, what sort of dollars are recurring, which is important if you wanting to build a passive online income because that is paid month after month after month. Well, not that exactly, but the average, whether you're working or not. As long as that new customer stays a subscriber of that service, you keep getting paid, which is really cool. That's your percentage rebill rate, so 50% rebill. Gravity is how popular it is, so how many people are promoting it. So basically, the higher the number, the better. And that is really cool. So you can go down and check any of those niches. If you want to promote, all you do is click on that button there, and you go sign up and get a nickname. You put your nickname in there, and then you click your hop link, and that's the link that you promote. And then when people click on that, you get paid whatever percentage those guys have offered to pay you out on. And these guys, I don't think, are going anywhere. They've been around a long time, and absolutely probably the easiest, because you can just sign up there, get on board straight away, and get promoting. There are other companies. JV Zoo is another popular one, but I prefer ClickBank out of those. Or if you want a private affiliate marketing company, you've got these guys, Legendary Marketer. I like these guys too. I promote these guys. They have a good model. They have a model where they have a low entry point. So you like join, you can get involved for as little as $7 to do this 15-day business challenge, which is brilliant content. It's excellent for $7. And then if you want to join their program, you join later. They give you options to join if you want to get more involved with them. But they also have high ticket products, so that way you get paid on the back end. Especially if you're paying for advertising costs, you generally only break even on the front end, because what you need to do then is collect the details, so email address and stuff, and then you promote to them down the track, especially because these guys will follow up on your behalf, and then you get paid higher commissions down the track, and that's where you make really good money. Anyway, that's my 2 cents. I think it's an awesome model, and lots of people are being really successful in this space. So if you like this video, then make sure you subscribe and click the like button, and then just down below you can see the products that I recommend that are to make money online. There's a whole bunch of tools and stuff that I use to help grow my channel and my business as well. So that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.